Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Redmi Buds 4 with MacBook. First of all, you have to remember to charge your case and earbuds inside. After that, just open it and use this back button. Click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking quickly white. Right now you can release, keep that case open and put it close to your MacBook. The next step is very simple. We have to open the system settings. Next, we have to select Bluetooth. Right now, turn it on by tapping on the switcher and take a look for nearby devices. Click to connect for the Redmi Buds 4, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. Right now I can also recommend you to go for the sound settings and be sure that the output and the input is automatically switched to our Redmi Buds 4, because sometimes it still stays for MacBook internal microphone and the same for the speakers. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.